So, what is this digital marketing thing that everybody's talking about? You see a bunch of content every single day, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. What is it? What does it actually mean? So, let's break it down. Really simplified, digital marketing is basically advertising online. Digital marketing is taking basically anything that you've created online and marketing it to a segmented audience with the intention, hopefully, to help that group. And in return, people are purchasing your products to better themselves and further themselves in their own lives and their own businesses. If you're interested in digital marketing, there is a lot more than that that's involved, but that is basically a blanket statement as to what digital marketing really entails, right? It's advertising your product online, simple and plain. And there's so many different ways to go about that. Let's say you run a business online and you want to drive traffic to your website. One, you're going to utilize digital marketing. You're either going to use paid ads to drive traffic, you're going to use a sales funnel, you're going to use social media and direct people to your links. But there's so many different avenues that you can travel. There is so many different ways to win with digital marketing. You can do it faceless and put up an infographic and literally just put words and music to that infographic, all created around your niche or the specific product or service that you're trying to promote. You can do this where you talk directly to the camera and promote your products that way. You can do it through email. You can create a lead magnet, which is basically a freebie for, somebody to give them something of value where they now want to sign up for your email campaign. You can utilize all the different link systems like within LinkedIn or Tumblr or Pinterest. And you can direct people to whatever area you'd like them to go. Do you want to drive more traffic to your website? Do you want to drive people to your email list? So then you would send them to your landing page, right? Give them a freebie, have them sign up for the email list. Do you want them to buy your course? And then you can send them directly to the sales funnel for your course. If you're just trying to spread brand awareness, then obviously you can utilize all of those things and just build up a following. But there is so many different ways to do it with digital marketing. And we haven't even scratched the surface, right? We're just giving you a general idea of what digital marketing is, what it's all about, what it could do for you and your business. So do not sleep on digital marketing in 2024. Implement any portion of what I just talked about into your business, and you will see the results happen for you. My name is Steve. All we do is talk about digital and affiliate marketing on this channel. Follow for more if that's something that interests you. We'll see you in the next one.